We're here today to dispose of some fireworks that trading standards officers seized last year and the year before from 5 businesses in Hertfordshire. They've been seized for a variety of reasons. Some of them are damaged, some of them are old stock that don't bear a CE mark, which is a legal requirement nowadays, and others were not stored safely, so putting consumers at risk and the businesses themselves at risk. The vast majority of our businesses in Hertfordshire get this right and receive a lot of advice in making sure that they do a good job of storing the fireworks, but unfortunately some traders will get it wrong, and also some traders will push their luck and try and store fireworks without a licence.
We're here this evening to highlight the work done by our dedicated teams in trading standards and Hertfordshire Fire and Rescue, trying to keep the county safe during this challenging time of year when fireworks are on sale and bonfire displays are taking place. We would really like to echo the desire of the Hertfordshire Fire and Rescue services that people attend professional displays. A professional display, you'll have an impressive presentation of fireworks, a really good evening, and you will keep yourself and your loved ones and your animals safe. But also remember, if you are going to have fireworks at home, follow the safety instructions and advice, read carefully what's on the fireworks, and never return to a firework that hasn't gone off. Leave it until the next day. And also tell your neighbours, make sure that animals are kept indoors and not distressed by fireworks.